Are you searching for software to split your oversized MS Outlook PST files into smaller sized PST files? Here, we have a solution that easily splits large-sized PST files of MS Outlook. Cigati Outlook PST Splitter software is a smart and advanced solution that splits or divides the extra-large PST files into small-sized PST files. Now, let's check out the key features and benefits of Cigati Outlook PST Splitter tool. Split Outlook PST files by date, size, folder, and sender email ID. Option to split all items like email, contacts, tasks, and other email items. Auto-detects files in ANSI and Unicode and supports any size of PST files. Option to create single as well as separate PST files after splitting your PST files. The software is compatible with all versions of MS Outlook. Let's check out the prerequisites of the software. Run software as administrator when using Windows 10 and its earlier versions. Now, let's understand the working procedure of the software. First, download and install the Cigati Outlook PST Splitter software. Next, click on the Add Files or Add Folders option to browse the oversized PST files from the system. Now, select the PST file which you want to split and press the Open button to proceed. Your selected file appears in the software window and then click on the Next button to move ahead. Your selected file appears in the software window. Now, select the file from the File Path option. Then, select the split options like date, folder, size, or sender email ID for the selected PST file. Next, choose Split PST file by date and click on the Next button. In the Date Filter option, select the date range and tap on Add. Also, you can use Create Single PST or Create Separate PST option to save your PST file either in a single PST file or in a separate PST file. Check the box to remove duplicate emails. After that, select the folder path from your system to save the split PST files. At last, click on the Split button to start the splitting process. Now, your oversized PST files are split as smaller and manageable types of PST files. After splitting your files you can close the application. For more updates check out our website www.cigatisolution.com or mail us on support@cigatisolutions.com.